I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over getting approved for subscription messaging. And this is very important because if you're not approved, you will not be able to send out messages. This is the very first thing you should do because it can take up to 5 days to get approved. So I've set up this new page to show you exactly the steps to take to get approved for subscription messaging. So the first thing we're going to do is click on settings up here. And then when you click on settings, you're going to see a ton of settings for your page. But the only two tabs we need to be worried about is messaging and messenger platform. So to get approved for subscription messaging, we're going to click messenger platform and then scroll down to advanced messaging features. And this is where we're going to request approval for subscription messaging. So simply click request and then it's going to show you how you can request subscription messaging. First, you need to select whether your bot is going to be used for news, for productivity, or for personal tracking. So if it's for news, you can inform people about recent or important events. If it's for productivity, you can help people manage their personal productivity and tasks. And if it's personal tracking, you can enable people to receive and monitor data. So choose which one's relevant to you. I'm going to choose news. And then you need to provide some additional details to describe what kind of messages you're going to send and how often you will send them. So I'm going to put in here that my messages will inform users of new features on Builderall once per week. And then below you need to give examples of messages that your page will send. So it gives you an example of what is allowed and what isn't allowed. What is allowed is providing helpful information. And what isn't allowed is deals and promotions. Facebook does not want you to send out deals and promotions to people through Messenger. If you do this, you risk getting your Facebook page shut down. So make sure your messages are always informative and not salesy. So below we need to provide two examples of what our page is going to send. So I'm going to write in here, the Builderall Chatbot now connects with the webinar platform. Check out the tutorial here. The new Canvas tool allows you to connect all of the apps together. See how it works here. And then once you've provided your two examples, you need to confirm that the subscription messaging will not be used to send advertisements or promotional messages. So tick the box and save draft. And then it's ready to submit. So now you just need to click submit for review. And it's going to send that to Facebook for them to review. And like it says, the review process may take up to 5 business days. So just click OK. And then you just simply need to wait until Facebook gets round to your review. Once they've reviewed your subscription messaging request, you'll get a notification telling you what the outcome was. Don't get discouraged if you don't get a favorable answer immediately. Sometimes it takes a few tries before Facebook allows you to send these messages. Keep trying, change the messages up, change the examples up a little bit, and as long as you're not breaking their rules, they will allow it in the end. So in this video, we went over getting approved for subscription messaging.